Right, hello everyone. So, I'm on holiday. Well, having a little break away. Um, I'm in North Wales. I'm in a place called Fannymore Caravan Park, or Holiday Park. Back in the day, it used to be a Butlins back in the day. But yeah, I'm away for 5 days, Monday to Friday. But just thought I'd make a video to let you know where I am. People have been asking why I haven't done any Anfield videos because I'm nowhere near Anfield. So, yeah. I'm a bit gutted that I can't go out with the outreach teams either. But I've needed a break for a bit, so yeah. Kids are on half term, so why not bring them away somewhere? And it's lovely here. Look at this. You know, this leads out into the Irish Sea. It's lovely here. You can see, well, as you see from the drone footage, you can see for miles. It's a bit cloudy today, but I think it's like that for the rest of the week. It hasn't been too bad. The first couple of days, but the rain landed last night, and yeah, it's going to be like this for the rest of the week now. So I initially come here to get some, with my photography, I wanted to teach myself how to do landscape astrophotography. So I brought the camera, I've started practicing that because I'm not very good at it. But I done a photo last night, not last night, the night before, that I was quite pleased with. So here's a picture of that. I've tried photographing the Milky Way as well, which is dead hard to do, but I'd love to master it. But I'm not happy with the result, but I'll show you it. So it looks like this. But it's, if there's any photographers out there, you'll know it's very grainy. It's very, you know, it's not the best photograph ever. With them type of photographs, you have to edit them as well, and my editing skills on the Milky Way is not good either. So yeah, I'll get there. Hopefully, I'll get there anyway. Yeah, it's a bit. It's not cold, but it's a bit windy. To be not great at the moment. Yeah, so the channel going forward, obviously Anfield's coming to an end, so I'm going to carry on doing match day atmosphere videos, going to do match day blogs, vlogs, whatever you want to call them, videos when I go to match. What else I've got plans? I was going to do a lot with the homeless. As Lowe's know, I'm doing that cycle ride from Leeds to Liverpool along the canal, 130 miles. If you want to donate, the GoFundMe's in the description. I've got another lad on board, Richard. Richard, thanks for reaching out and getting involved. So he's going to do it with me. There's a few others who have asked, but haven't got back to me about it. So if you want to join me on a bike ride, you're more than welcome to. My next one after that is going to be a tough one. So it's going to be another bike ride. But I'm going to cycle to the top of Mount Snowdon. There you go. So I'll see how we get on with the Leeds one first, because that's meant to be a rough ride. You know, I've had to order myself a padded seat. I might have to wear padded kecks with a cushion inside or something. Apparently it's a rough ride for 130 miles, so yeah, I'll find out on that one. But yeah, going up Snowdon is going to be after that. That's going to be my next fundraiser. Riding up Snowdon on a bike, not just walking it. So yeah, as well, this one from Liverpool to Leeds, the parts of the canal I go on my bike, they're quite smooth, but apparently it's a rough old ride. So I'm going to have to get some practice in, because I was just going to rock up on a day and just ride it, but I don't think that's the way to do it. Yeah, so just a little update to let you know what I'm up to. If you've got any questions, ask me. If you like the channel, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. At the end of the video, I'll put some footage up of Fannymore, where I am, the caravan park. It's dead nice, lovely. It's one of the better ones around, I'd say. It's big as well. I'm staying in a lodge, and it's out the way, you know, from all the central stuff. So you haven't got any noise, anything like that. It's nice and quiet. It's up on a hill. It's great for photography. Oh yeah. So I'll put that video on for you now anyway, but thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe. Leave us a comment, and if you like the video, this video in particular, give it a thumbs up. Let other people see it. Apart from that, guys, thank you for watching. I'll probably do another video while I'm here. But yeah, I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.